These noodles are super simple and easy to make but tastes incredibly delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making scallion oil noodles. So let's begin. Let's start by cutting the scallions. We need lots of scallions for this recipe. People cut scallions into long sticks, but I am finely chopping them as they can release their flavors faster. It's a quick recipe and you can make it in less than 20 minutes. Scallion oil noodles is a simple and quick dish with tender noodles mixed with super fragrant scallion oil. In a bowl, we will add sugar, vinegar, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and red chili sauce. Mix it all well and keep it aside. To a saute pan, I'm adding scallion oil, crushed ginger garlic, and all the finely chopped scallion. Saute it until nice and soft. Now we will add the boiled noodles. You can take noodles of your choice. Add to it the prepared sauce mix and toss together on high heat for a minute or two. The sauce might not look a lot, but it is very rich and flavorful. Additionally, I am adding roasted red chili oil and roasted peanuts. This is optional. Roasted peanuts gives a nice crunch to the dish. The best part of a bowl of a scallion oil noodles is a crispy fried scallion. And scallion oil is a condiment that I always have in the kitchen. That way it helps me to make this easy and delicious dish in less than 15 minutes. Once it's fully incorporated, plate it up and garnish it with crispy fried scallions and toasted sesame seeds. Give this dish a try and I'm sure it will not disappoint you. It is a wonderful side dish that uses a few ingredients and it is satisfying enough to serve a light meal by itself. If you are an egg lover, you can add one fried egg on top. Share your valuable feedback in the comment box below. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.